What's up guys, it's me here and today I've got a fidget spinner and it's red but it looks orange to the camera, sorry. And just today I'm just going to show you how to use it, some cool tricks with it and just some facts about it. So yeah, get into it. Part of the trick section. So how to use it basically. So you get your middle finger and your thumb. I'm right-handed so I hold it with this, like that. And then you spin it with your other hand as fast as you can. That's step one. So step two, spin it, bounce it on your thumb. It's quite a cool trick, but everyone knows how to do it. I was just saying that for the people who are new and haven't really seen this out yet. Wait. Oh, that's going so fast. I hurt my finger. Okay, sorry. So, yeah, trick number one. This is two. So, I'm not really good at doing it yet. It's balancing it on... Oh, yes! I'm a master at this. Balance it on this. On your middle finger. Balance it on this. No, I'm not going to do that. So, yeah. That's trick number two, I think. There are some more tricks. Oh, there's one. You balance it on your nose. Okay, let's try and do this. So you're just gonna spin it. I'm gonna get it onto your nose if you didn't hear me. Oh, that hurt. Okay, so yeah, trick number three. Okay, so cool facts about it. This thing can go to 999 per miles per hour because you just get a hairdryer. You do it as fast as you can first. Hairdryer. Pew pew pew. Yeah. So yeah, this actually is red. It looks orange on the camera because this iPad's a bit old. I'm sorry about the audio as well. It's a bit bad. Actually, it's really bad for the major YouTubers out there. So let's think of something else that we could do. I have figured out a new fidget thing with this thing. So yeah, it's fidget spinner. Epic. Look at that. Look at this. Look. Look at me. Help me, please. Boom. Okay, so yeah. So this middle bit, Dead. Wow, so amazing. So basically, it's like you can just mess with it and turn it around and spin it and mess with it and turn it around and mess with it. You know, spin it and then turn it around and then mess. So yeah, I'll end this video in 1 second. So yeah, bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, please do comment down below and like the video if you like the video. And subscribe if you're new to my channel and if you like my channel. So yeah, I can't really like edit it in because I've already got the things for it. But do check out some YouTubers, I'll say them now. So go check out Squid for the younger people, PewDiePie for the older people. What else? Okay, here's some weird YouTubers that you probably won't know. What's Inside? They do like what's inside anything. Basically, they're really rich, and they're just really good. And also Derv. All of you guys probably heard of them. So yeah, they're all really good YouTubers. Please do check them out. And Bye.